Today's agenda is to cover these 6 topics: introduction to customer relationship management, about dynamic CRM and its main modules like marketing, sales, and service, then how to navigate and search, business process flows, actions, dialogues, and workflows. Finally, SharePoint Outlook integrations and email integrations, how to set it up. Customer relationship management is inevitable for any kind of business, and that is why we need a robust system or application to handle all the interactions happening between the customer and the business. Also to track information and share information for the customer, and that should be meaningful and productive. A powerful CRM solution can handle the data analytics, meetings with the customers and customer care, then marketing campaigns. Here is the entire life cycle of customer relationship management. It starts with the campaign, marketing campaign. As a result of marketing campaign, leads we will be getting it. So the leads will be given to the salespeople to further develop. They will identify based on certain criteria to qualify the lead and make it as an opportunity. Once it is made as an opportunity, then they will look for the prospective customer or potential customer. Then they will fix up appointments to meet them because they have shown interest to buy our product. So as a result of meeting, we can convince the customer, or we can show them the different options for a product they can buy it from us, like including offers and discounts, anything. So if they are interested, then we will generate a quote and possibly close the deal. That after closing the deal, it will be an order and an invoice will be generated for the order, and then the product will be delivered to the customer. Once this sales process is completed, and the following one is the service delivery. So how we deliver the service to the customer. So based on the quality of the service delivery, the customer will be happy and they will think of buying products from us, maybe same kind of product or some other products that we sell, and that ends up in repurchase. That is how we can maintain healthy customer relationship for a business. The CRM software system offered by Microsoft is called Dynamics 365. That is the latest version, and it is offered in 2 variations, online and on-premises. It is one of the most popular CRM software solutions that are available in the market. It is mainly focused on the core departments of any organization like sales, marketing, customer service. And it is built using .NET based framework. Here is the benefits of using Dynamics 365. It's a deadly combination of standard CRM system and an ERP tool. In Dynamics 365, there are a lot of modules. It's split into modules like sales, customer service, operation, field service, marketing, finance, and then project service automation. So all these are modules of Dynamics 365. According to the business needs, one can select the appropriate plan that requires the modules for their business. So the entire system is integrated with communication tools like Outlook and Excel, and even SharePoint integration is also available in Dynamics 365. With this tight integration, the use of Microsoft Dynamics 365 has been widely accepted and is now one of the popular tools in the market. In Dynamic CRM, there are functional modules and are often referred to as work areas, namely sales, marketing, and service management. The CRM software is divided into three core modules. The classification is done based on the functionalities that are carried out by individual teams. All the users from the sales team will be working on the sales module completely, and it is the same case with marketing and customer service teams as well. Marketing module enables customer segmentation, campaign planning and execution, data extraction and cleansing, and then analytics and reporting, then marketing sales collaboration tools, information sharing portals. So all these are to organize the data that we got from the campaign and to cleanse the data that we got and to categorize the customer segments. I mean, like segmentation of customers, to categorize customers, and then to plan accordingly to reach the customer and sell the product. So that's the main objective of this marketing module. Sales module is the main and core part of the dynamic CRM. It provides the tool to successfully manage the sales process and access the potential contacts in real time and to identify potential customers. Starting from the lead and opportunity management, then account and contact management, territories and sales quota settings, managing those things, and then forecasting and sales analytics. So all these things comes under the sales module. By using the sales module, you have quick access to products, pricing, and quotes. Service module deals with all the after sales activities like consistent system of support and case and interaction management, then incident routing and queuing. In case of any issues faced by the customer, they will raise an incident or they will raise a ticket, and that has to be routed accordingly and to the technical person to fix the issue. And product and contract management, then knowledge base, like if there are like few things which can be answered by the customer support uh, executive directly over the phone, then those kind of like frequently asked questions kind of things, and then frequently happening incidents can be created as a knowledge base so that the issues can be fixed quickly. And then service scheduling, workflow across teams and groups, service reporting and analytics. All these things are maintained in this service module. Here is a simple example for the dynamic CRM implementation in a car dealership. First step is marketing and campaign. How come this happens? In any kind of festival or any kind of mela, there will be a campaign conducted by the car dealership to invite people from outside. So they will conduct a contest, and to participate in that contest, the potential customers are asked to provide their contact information, and if the potential customers are interested in any of the car models, they will be entered into the system as part of the marketing campaign, and that will become lead. So, and based on the criterias like what is their income, and then what model they have, car model they are more interested in, and then whether they are a potential buyers, whether they bought a car recently, or they are looking for car eagerly, or they are looking for some exchange offer, or they are looking for some discounts. All these things are mentioned in the leads. and reviewing all these things by the salespeople, and it will be converted to a opportunity. So once it is converted to opportunity, then we may create a contact or a account. So if it is a company, then we'll create account, and if it is an individual, then we will create a contact, and we'll feed in all the data related to the customer, potential customer, and this information will be helping the sales people on the field to meet the customer, to call them and fix the appointment to meet them, and then they can um, bring it to the closure. That means it's a sales. It can be a sales also. So they can ask for discounts or some other loan options. All those things can be discussed by the salesperson with the potential customer, and they can um, probably make it as a sale. And then once that is done, it will be a quotes and invoice. They will ask for the quote, and they will apply for a loan, or they can directly pay, and then invoice will be given. Then car will be delivered to the customer. And after the car is sold to the customer, then there comes the service. That is the next phase. So periodical calls to be made to the customer to ensure everything is going fine, and they have to maintain the consistent relationship within the client and the company.